Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing my Kunun Gyada recipe. And here is everything we need to make this yummy Kunun Gyada. I actually learned this recipe from my sister-in-law, so thanks to her. Because it's going to be the best you ever have. I promise you. So I have my skinless peanuts that I already soaked in the water for like 5 hours. And then I have my long grain rice, shinkapa too. I soaked them both around the same time. You can also do this overnight. That way when you wake up in the morning, you're good to go. And then I have some ginger, some pig milk. I actually decided not to add the pig milk. And if you keep watching the video, you will see why. And then I have some coconut powder. If you live in Nigeria or anywhere where you can find fresh coconut, please use it because it's so much better. And I have some lemon. You can use that kind of lemon or you can use the fresh ones, the one you can just squeeze and use them. So let's see how to make this yummy Kunun Gyada. All right, and now I'm going ahead and blend the peanuts. I'll also throw in the ginger in there. And make sure you put enough water in there because as the peanut is blending, actually it's become really thick. All right, now that everything is well blended, I'm going ahead and flip everything. And that's the pot I'm going to use to make the Kunun Gyada in there. So this is just to make my life easier, guys. I know some people will first flip it in a separate bowl and then transfer it inside the pot. But why give yourself too much wahala? And now that everything is done, I'm going ahead and put it on the stove on medium heat. And then I'll go ahead and blend the rice. And I'll show you how the rice looks like. I'm not going to add all of this rice. I'm only going to add like half of it. And then now I'm going to add my coconut powder because I want it to be soft. That way they can all come to boil together. And then just mix it a little bit. After that, just wait until when the milk is boiled. So now that it's coming to boil, I'm going ahead and start adding the blended rice. So make sure you're adding the rice slowly. Because if you add too much rice, your Kunun Gyada is not going to taste good. And oh my God, I really want your Kunun Gyada to taste like mine and to look like mine. Because like I already said, it's going to be the best you ever have. So after that, I'm going ahead and add the lemon. After you add the lemon, you can wait and test it a little bit and see if that is enough. If not, then you can add a little bit more. And then now look at that. So I'm going ahead and add some sugar. By the way, I already turned up my stove. So I'm adding some sugar here. And then now we're all done. Look at that. It smells so good. By the way, this is why I didn't add the pig milk because I decided at the end that the smell was just hitting me and I didn't want it to change. Because if you add the pig milk actually do change the taste. So I think for the first time, just make it like I did without adding the pig milk. And then when you're going to make it again, then you can add the pig milk because the taste will be two different tastes. And yeah, guys, we're done. And I'll be enjoying my Kunun Gyada with my gurasa. By the way, I already have the gurasa recipe on my YouTube, so if you haven't checked it, you need to, because that gurasa tastes like Kano gurasa. I hope you guys enjoy my Kunun Gyada recipe. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.